This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, dusk-sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Tim Castellaw Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 920 Highway 51 Bypass in Dyersburg.